Hi everybody, I'm Barbecue Bob with the Barbecue Guru. I have a great recipe for you today. It's holiday ribs, and I'm doing them in the rib rings so I can cook for the whole family. We're going to use them in the kitchen oven. They're not just for the smoker or the grill. I have these beautiful baby back ribs from Hatfield Meats, and they're going to take about 3.5 hours to cook. All right, these are gorgeous ribs. They're very thick. There's a lot of meat on the bones. You can see the thickness there. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to flip these baby backs over, and we're going to remove the membrane from the bone side. And we're just going to start to peel away this membrane at one side. And once we have a good hold of it, we're just going to rip it right down. And then when they're cooked up, this membrane won't give you that little tough, chewy feel. It'll all be tender meat under there. All right, now that we have the membrane removed from the ribs, we're just going to kind of square them off. So I'm going to look for at the ends of these ribs, if there's any broken or shattered bones. I'm just going to come in here and just remove that, kind of square them off. Do the same thing on this side. It's a nice square end here. Now that they're trimmed up, the next thing I'm going to do is just get a little bit of olive oil on the ribs, and that's going to help the seasoning stick to the rib. Flip them over to the meat side, do the same thing. Rub it in, and now we can get the seasoning on the ribs, and that's going to stick to the rib really nice. So to make this at home, what you can do is find poultry seasoning, and then you can add your kosher salt, black pepper, onion, and garlic to it, and a little bit of paprika. So we're not really giving it a barbecue flavor, we're giving it more of like nice fall seasonal flavors. All right, so all our ribs are seasoned up, and we're laying them in the rib rings. And this is where it really helps that you kind of square them off and trim them up and make them fit in here really nice. So there's 5 racks. All right, we're gonna take this over to the oven. Okay, these baby backs have been cooking for about 3.5 hours in the oven at 275 degrees. So we're gonna go check them out right now. They look amazing. They have that nice crusty bark on there from the seasoning. So we're gonna pull a rack out. All right, so now I'm gonna taste this, and we're gonna get some of those mashed potatoes, a little bit of gravy, and that pulled rib meat. Wow. It's not barbecue with those savory herbs on there. It's a great way to make a holiday meal, and it's a great alternative to ham or turkey. Happy Thanksgiving and have a great holiday.